going to make some pickled mango today. So I got some mangoes here and some powder, plum powder, and this one actually is optional. It's already sour, so you want to make it more sour, you just put in this. And if you want balance the taste, sugar, I think this one and this one will be enough actually. And also one container just to put the mango inside and then just shake and leave it. Then you are done. You can actually eat it straight away like that. Very simple, less than 1 minute to prepare, but 1 minute to make, but preparation is the one that takes a long time. So you just halfway, I'm doing this halfway, add the plum powder and the lime or some sugar. The last time I did, it was only the lime and the plum powder. It was so sour, so I'm trying now with sugar. Hopefully they balance out the taste. Then I'm just going to fill the whole container here with the mango and put it aside maybe a few hours in the fridge, or tomorrow even better, tomorrow can eat. That's it actually, you are done. That's how easy it is to make a pickled mango. Just make sure the mango is not ripe. You don't want the ripe one, okay?